Okay, we got air crisp broccoli, and probably opened it too soon, but who cares? There we go. Looks pretty good. It's gonna go with a garlic aioli that we made with pepper, red pepper, half a cup of mayo, tablespoon of Dijon, 5 cloves. I just used a tablespoon of minced garlic, and got some lemon in there too. Before we put the broccoli in, we mixed it with olive oil and salt and pepper. And then we let it crisp at 390, air crisp at 390 for 15 minutes. Anyway, here we go. I'll grab a piece. So now it's a little hot, but that's okay. And then this is the aioli we made with those 6 ingredients. That is delicious. Oh my god. And that pairs well with the ginger root beer and some Hendrix and a little bit of lemon juice and some blueberry inside. So cheers. And cooking tip of the day, you'll never forget to turn off the oven if you never turn it on.